Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. I am Miss Amrapali Chavan from Department of Computer Engineering. I am here to show hands-on experiment on RapidMiner tool. As I already opened RapidMiner tool here, for new process, we will choose the blank process. So first we will see the introduction to RapidMiner tool. RapidMiner Studio has a lot of features to offer. So in the next few minutes we will learn how we can use RapidMiner Studio to perform basic data science techniques such as accessing data, transforming data and building statistical models. So we will use the Titanic passenger dataset to perform our experiment. As you can see, the blank space in the middle of the screen is a process panel. This shows the process that we will going to build in this experiment. At the left hand side, you can see the repository of the RapidMiner tool. Here different types of datasets you can save. Below that, this is operator panel. In operator panel, there are multiple operators already inbuilt in the RapidMiner tool. Then at the right hand side, it is parameter panel. So you can set the different parameters for particular process. So in this experiment, we are going to find the highest fare paid by the woman passenger in the Titanic incident. So in this experiment, we will learn how to import data into the RapidMiner repository, which is the central storage for all the data, models and the processes. So in this experiment, we will apply a filter to Titanic data to only look at female passengers. Then we can easily sort the data to find the highest ticket fare paid by women. You can then apply your new skills to answer the same question for the men. Do you expect a difference for the passenger fare? So we will now get data into our workflow. So for that we will go into the repository. In repository we will go into the data folder, and in data folder we will choose the Titanic data from the sample repository into the process panel. You can just drag and drop the Titanic data into the process panel. In RapidMiner, the rows are called examples and data tables are called example set. You will find these terms throughout the RapidMiner, so it is worth learning them right away. There are many ways to find the highest fare paid for women. So in this experiment, we will remove men from the table or filter the examples out of the example set. So our next step is setup filtering. So only the examples, that is rows, that meet the defined filter criteria. So in this case we will choose woman and stay in the example set. So all other examples we are going to remove. So for that we will go into the operator panel and search for filter examples. You can just type filter examples, then we will get this filter example operator using the search box at the top of the operator panel. Just drag the filter example into the process panel. Connect the output port of Retrieve Titanic with the input port of filter example. Then click on filter example to select it, and then click add filters in the parameter. So at the right hand side you can see the parameter panel. Go into the parameter panel and click on add filters. So select the sex on the left because we are categorizing using the sex. Then equal in the middle and type the female in the box on the right. So instead of typing, you can click on the magic wand and select the female from the list. Then click on OK. Whenever you add an operator to your process, you should immediately connect it. Remember that data flows between the operators, so an operator's connection can influence its parameter. For example, how could the filter operator knows about the column 6 if it is not connected to the data source? The next step in our experiment is sort to show the highest fares first. Then again we will go into the operator panel and we will search for the sort operator. We can just write the sort, then you can able to see the sort operator. Just click on the sort operator, drag it and drop it into the process panel. They connect the output of the filter with the input of the sort. Then click on sort to select it. Make the following changes in the parameter panel. So for changes, you can select the sort operator here and set the attribute name, that is passenger fare, and change the sorting direction into the decreasing order. Then connect the sort output port to the result port on the right of the process panel. Now this process is ready to run. So to run the process and inspect the result, we will click this blue button, that is start the execution of current process. So after clicking, you can see this table like output or table like structure, which is nothing but our output. So in the result tab you will get this output. So you can see in the result or in this table there are different types of columns, that is passenger, class, passenger name, passenger sex, that is female. You can easily see all the female passengers are included in our result because we sort all the or we excluded all the male passengers. After that, age of particular woman, then number of siblings, number of parent, and the ticket number of particular passenger. Then what is most important here in this output is passenger fare. So our aim or our goal is to find highest fare paid by the woman passenger. So you can easily see the highest fare is 512.329, and the two passengers here they paid highest fare for the Titanic traveling. So like this you can go to the statistics and you can see different types of rows here. We will click on passenger fare. So here again you can see the minimum passenger fare, that is 6.750, and maximum passenger fare, that is 512.329, and average fare is 46.198. If you want to see the histogram for a particular column, then click on the open visualization. You can see the passenger fare highest and passenger fare lowest. Again, we will click on data, so you can see all female passenger here in the output, and you can just move this column so you can find out the name of particular passenger. As you can see here, the Cardeza is the woman who paid highest fare for Titanic traveling. Then Miss Anna is also a woman who paid highest fare for the Titanic. So likewise, you can easily sort the data. So most operators have settings which define how the operators are working. So you can find those on the right side of the parameter panel. After you have selected an operator with the click, so now we can easily see the highest fare paid for the woman on the Titanic. It's the first value in the column passenger fare. Again, we can click in design. So this is our design view. So that's all. Thank you so much.